Film start, light on. Alright, so right now, no light. So it looks, the image, you know, the color, it's super noisy, the color looks super dull, don't you guys think? But what we're gonna do is actually turn on the light. Turn on. So this is the dimmest of the light in the LED. But I think you can see a little bit of difference between having no light and having some light. There is a little bit of distance, about 2 meters away from the camera, and I also do have the extension rod stuck out because it just gives a very nice angle, more flattering angle to your face. So one more time, and voila, can you see a little bit of difference? It is a little bit better if you're actually nearer to the subject. Definitely the white balance nearer to light is balanced, but I'm gonna turn up another notch. And here we go. See a little bit of difference? And then one more time, because it goes up all the way to the 4th level. So now let's go for the brightest of the light. Whoa, really bright here. So I can definitely see on my mobile display that yes, my dress, color of the flowers on my dress definitely shows off. What do you guys think? Do you think having the LED light on the smartphone gimbal is now a must? So if you guys have any other questions on Zhiyun Smooth Q4, then please don't forget to check my full review on Zhiyun Smooth Q4 because it really details out all the key features on the latest smartphone gimbal out there. But after watching that video, if you still have any questions about Zhiyun Smooth Q4, then feel free to ask me in the comments down below, or don't forget to check out the link down below. It will go to the official page of Zhiyun Smooth Q4 for more detail. And I'll come back with other interesting reviews on the gadgets, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!